Guys, today we're going to make this one in this video. So we're going to make this one. It's a bearing support, okay? And yeah, for making this one, I need sketch like this one, okay? Yeah, this one, right? So pad 1, pad 2, and pad 3. So for pad 1, I need a sketch of this, okay? This one. So what is that sketch here? This one from the front side. Okay, you can see the dimensions for that sketch. And for pad 2, I need a sketch. This one. Okay. So it should be a closed sketch. Okay, because yeah, it should be a closed sketch like this one. If you want to make pad 2 sketch. And for pad 3, what is the sketch? Okay, this is the pad 3 sketch. Okay. That one is the pad 3 sketch, or okay, that one is the pad 3 sketch. So yeah, you need three separate sketches, three different sketches for three pads. But yeah, you can combine this sketch and this sketch, and you can use multi-pad. Okay. So I'm going to use multi-pad option. Okay. So that one is more convenient and easy for this problem. Okay. Not for all. If you are confused with multi-pad, okay, so you can make three separate sketches like this one and make three separate pads. So in this figure, I'm going to combine this sketch and this sketch, okay, and make single sketch, and I'm going to use multi-pad option. Okay, let's start CATIA software, okay, and yeah. So when we open CATIA, by default, it is opening assembly design workbench, okay, product. So close this one and open part design workbench, okay, and bearing block or bearing support. Okay, so select visor plane. Yeah, because I'm going to use front view. This is the front view for the for this one. So I'm making that sketch on visor plane. Select visor plane, make sketch there. Yeah. So I'm going to make only half. Okay. For the bottom sketch, I'm going to make only half. And this one only half, and mirror the remaining half. Okay. So let's start with the profile tool. So select this one and select this one, click there and click like this one. Okay, up to the vertical plane. Up to here. Okay, up to here only. You can see some line, right? Dotted line. So that is the coincidence point for the vertical line. Okay, press escape after finishing. Okay, and the dimension of this one is 5 millimeter. And the dimension of this one is 15 millimeter. So you can see the figure for the dimension, right? 5, 15, and yeah. So the dimension of this one is what? Half of the 32. The dimension of the large line is half of the 56. So yeah, the dimension for this one is 32 over 2. Half of the 36 or 30? Half of the 32. So 32 by 2 or 16 millimeter. Okay. 56 by 2 or 28 millimeter. So this one, okay. So I'm going to use mirror, right? For that, I need to select all the lines, okay, all the lines, you can drag your mouse, okay, select, okay, or you can select individually, like select line, okay, so like that one. So dragging is more convenient because many lines, okay, and select the mirror tool, okay, select the vertical line against, okay, this is a mirroring line. I'm going to mirror against the vertical axis, okay, and that one is the bottom stitch. So if you want to make 3 separate pads, right, so make pad immediately after making the bottom stitch, okay, but I'm going to use multi-pad, right, for this, okay, so make another stitch like this one, okay. So yeah, for making that one, first I'm making the axis, okay, from axis to this line 100, from axis to this point 36, and this line 25, okay. First make axis. So axis is not a part of stitch, okay, axis is just for making the diamonds. So axis, this one, so from here to here 100, 100, okay, and now make again one more profile tool. So select this point, okay, and sorry, yeah, make sure that no constraints are coming, okay, automatic constraints. When you make some line, automatic constraints come, okay, don't click here, okay, yeah, here same, don't click here. So the sketch should be like that one, okay, you can click here, that is the end point, okay, so press escape key, and yeah, from here to here, so from this point to this line 36 millimeter, yeah, I think little bit this side, and from this 100, what is 100, okay, height, so from here to here bottom, what is the height of the 63, you can see from the side view, 63 height, right, so 63, and what is the length of this one, that one is 25, okay, and I'm not going to fix this one, okay, we fix this one later, okay, so this one it will change. Actually that's supposed to be 18, right, why 18, this line, right, this line should be 18, okay, the length exactly not fixed because the cylinder, right, cylinder, so the diameter radius of the cylinder 18, okay, up to here, but this one is cylindrical object, okay, so we have to extend that object, okay, we do that later, okay, and mm, okay, yeah, that one is my sketch, okay, and if you use pad it will give some warning message, okay, error message, you cannot make pad, okay, or something. If you click preview, right, you'll get error because it's not a closed sketch, okay, so uh, there are several open features for this one is a different sketch. If you want to make pad, right, you have to make separate pads, okay, so bottom separate sketch, okay, this one is a closed sketch, right, bottom one, and for top one we have to make another closed stitch, okay, and make pad, 2 pads, separate pads, but I'm going to use multi-pad, that's why I made sketch like this one. So multi-pad, select this one, and here, so click on one of the, so sometimes yeah, so first section, so number, first number, right, so bottom one, for you maybe the top one. Okay, you can see the blue color, right? So blue color, so this got collected, so that one is my first number, multipad sketch number. So for me, for you maybe another number, okay, maybe this one. Okay, so first option is this one, so be careful. And here, what is the thickness of that pad? Okay, so what is thickness of the, what is the length of this one? So 75, same as okay, 75. So yeah, but we have to specify more. I want to keep the sketch in the middle. Okay, half 75, half go front side, and 75 half go back side. Total 75. So 37.5 front side and 37.5 back side. And I want to keep my sketch here. Okay. Okay. So that one is my pad, first pad. The second pad sketch is this one. What is the thickness of that one? Same. I want to keep sketch in the middle, like here, middle. Okay. So my sketch is here. And what is the thickness? 12. Half go front side and half go back side. So 6 millimeter go front side and 6 millimeter go back side. You have to click on more. Okay. Here you have to click more. So total 12 millimeter. Okay. So, and after finishing this one, we have to make this one, right? So for making this pad, this is the sketch. So we can select this plane. We already have plane. Okay. So select this plane and make sketch. Okay. Make sketch. And yeah, so sketch is here. Okay. Vertical axis, on the vertical axis. The center point should be on the vertical axis. So that's why I made sketch. I made pad half front side and half back side to keep the vertical axis in the middle, right? If you make either front side or back side, your vertical axis is here, and we have to define some dimension here. Okay, so that makes some extra work. Okay. Okay, so yeah, from here to here, 100 millimeter from the bottom edge to, I want to keep in this. Yeah, from here to center point. And radius of that one is how much? 18, yeah, 522 inside circle, and outside circle radius. So radius 18. Yeah, radius is 18. You can see radius is 18. That means diameter 36, or you can specify radius here. Okay. Okay. And pad. It's not multi-pad now, it's normal pad. Okay, reverse the direction, because by default it's going upwards. Okay, reverse the direction. And what is the length of the pad? 25, because my sketch is here. My sketch is here, so 25 downward. 25 downward direction. So if you see the front view, right? Front view. Okay, this is isometric view and front view. Yeah. So exactly matching, right? So in your case, maybe, yeah, we did not, sorry, sketch. We did not define the dimension, right, for this one. Maybe a little bit inside, right? If it is a little bit inside, okay, use control U. If it is red color, right? Use update here, update. So where is update toolbar? Okay. Yeah, just I think somewhere is hiding. So control U, okay, control button, CTRL plus U button for updating, okay, control U. So because it's a red color, right, not updated, okay, control U. See, there is some gap, right? So make sure that it go a little bit inside, okay, and again control U, okay, and yeah. So you do one thing first, you make a cylinder first, then you can make this later, okay, up to cylinder you can make. If you are confusing, first make the cylinder, okay, and a little bit here. Yeah, that's the problem. There is no clear dimension for this edge, okay. Control U, okay, now it's okay. Still a little bit problem here, okay, a little bit inside, okay. So control U, now it's okay. Uh, okay, because there is no clear dimensions for this one, okay, you can make like that one, only approximate shape. Okay, now we are going to make holes. Yeah, this hole and this hole. How are we going to make hole? Okay, here. So select this face, or you can select XY plane, right? XY top of XY plane also same. Or you can select top face, or you can select the bottom face. Doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, give it tilted. Okay, yeah, this one is bottom view. So the diameter of that hole is 12, radius 6, diameter 12. Or if you want diameter, and from here to center, what is that one? 45 over 2. So that is given in the so whole centers, right, is 45, half of that one, right? So because my axis is here, so from here to here, and you can use mirror, other side same, right? So you don't need to define dimensions if you use mirror, okay, and pocket, or you can also use hole, right? Hole, this one. For that you need a point, okay, exactly at 45 here, okay, from here to here 22.5. Make hole, you need 2 holes, okay, but pocket is more easier, and the dimension doesn't matter up to next, okay, up to last doesn't matter here, or dimensions, the thickness of this one, okay, or you can specify 100 and doesn't matter because here no material, right? So I'm just using up to next. Okay, that's the end of the bearing block model. Okay, thank you.